Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a space-saving solution that's been making waves. The Kaixin Rabbit 3 inches 1 removable hanger with a 2-layer storage box. If you're looking to maximize your space without compromising on style, this might just be the perfect addition to your home. Now, let's kick things off by highlighting why this product stands out as one of the best hanger boxes available in the market today. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, the Kaixin Rabbit offers a seamless blend of functionality and modern design. First up, its versatile design. Whether you need extra storage in your bedroom, laundry room, or even a compact entryway, this 3 inches 1 cart has got you covered. It features a hanging zone for coats, a double-bottom basket for shoes or folded clothes, and even comes equipped with handy hooks for accessories. Made from high-quality stainless steel coated with a rust-resistant powder finish, durability is not something you'll need to worry about. It's sturdy enough to handle your everyday essentials, yet sleek enough to complement any modern decor. What about mobility? Well, this cart features 360 degrees rotating wheels that make it effortlessly portable. Need to move it from room to room? No problem. Plus, 2 of the wheels come with brakes for added stability when you want it to stay put. Assembling the Kaixin Rabbit is a breeze, even if you're not a DIY enthusiast. It comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions, ensuring you can set it up in no time. From my own experience, what I particularly appreciate is how it organizes everything in one place. Whether it's coats, shoes, or even extra bedding, everything has its designated spot, making it easier to keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Now, compared to other storage solutions out there, the Kaixin Rabbit truly stands out. Its thoughtful design and robust construction make it a long-term investment that not only looks good, but also functions seamlessly in various living spaces. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a versatile, durable, and stylish storage solution, look no further than the Kaixin Rabbit 3 inches 1 hanger with a 2-layer storage box. It's a practical addition to any home, offering both style and functionality without compromise. And that concludes our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.